Do you ever wonder if the universe changes when you look at it? If so, you're not alone. This question leads us to the heart of quantum mechanics, the quantum observer effect. This intriguing phenomenon suggests that the very act of observation influences the behavior of particles. That's right, when we peer into the quantum world, it appears to peer right back at us. Now, this doesn't mean that particles are conscious or aware. Rather, it means that our act of measuring or observing can determine a particle's state. It's as if by looking, we force the universe to make a decision. This puzzling effect raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our role within it. Could our consciousness extend beyond mere observation? Could our minds be entangled with the world at a fundamental level? The quantum observer effect provides our first clue into the possible connection between consciousness and quantum reality. It's time to go deeper and question if consciousness might do more than just observe. This brings us to the concept of consciousness actively shaping quantum states. The idea is as profound as it is perplexing, suggesting that our thoughts and awareness could extend beyond mere observation, influencing the very behavior of particles at the subatomic level. Let's consider the double-slit experiment, a cornerstone in quantum mechanics. When not observed, particles behave as waves, creating an interference pattern. But when observed, they take on the characteristics of particles. This experiment suggests that the act of observation affects reality. But could it be our consciousness that's the real game changer here? Some researchers advocate for this bold idea, citing experiments where human intention seems to influence quantum states. For instance, the Global Consciousness Project, an international endeavor, collects data from random number generators worldwide. The project has found that during significant global events, these generators stray from their usual randomness, implying a potential influence of collective human consciousness. However, it's important to note that these interpretations are not universally accepted. Many physicists argue that these phenomena can be explained without invoking consciousness. They caution against overstating the role of the observer, pointing out that observation in quantum mechanics often refers to interaction with a measuring device, not necessarily a conscious observer. Despite these debates, the possibility that consciousness might shape quantum states continues to intrigue researchers. It challenges our conventional understanding of the universe and the place of consciousness within it. If proven true, it could revolutionize fields from physics to philosophy, and even our understanding of ourselves. So where does this leave us? Well, at the frontier of knowledge, exploring uncharted territories of science and philosophy. As we grapple with these complex ideas, we're reminded of the exciting, ever-evolving nature of our understanding of the universe. If consciousness does indeed shape quantum states, it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Imagine if you could be in two places at once. In the quantum world, that's not just a thought experiment. This brings us to the fascinating concept of quantum superposition. The term might sound complex, but it's essentially the idea that in the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Picture a spinning coin suspended in mid-air, simultaneously showing both heads and tails. It's only when we observe this quantum coin that it collapses into one definitive state, heads or tails. Now, here's where things get even more intriguing. Could conscious intent extend its influence over this mysterious quantum phenomenon? Could our thoughts and intentions have the power to shape the superpositions of particles? This isn't just a wild hypothesis. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics, like the von Neumann-Wigner interpretation, suggest that consciousness could play an active role in the collapse of quantum superpositions. Think about it. If our consciousness can influence the state of quantum particles, it implies that our mind has the potential to shape the very fabric of reality. This might sound like a plot from a science fiction novel, but in the realm of quantum physics, it's a genuine scientific proposition. However, it's crucial to remember that these are just theories, and currently there's no definitive scientific evidence to fully support this idea. Yet the possibility itself is fascinating enough to warrant exploration. After all, as we journey deeper into the quantum world, we're constantly challenged to rethink our understanding of reality. The connection between conscious intent and quantum superposition is a tantalizing prospect that challenges our understanding of reality. If proven true, it could redefine our perspective of consciousness, potentially elevating it from a passive observer to an active participant in the unfolding of the quantum world. This mind-bending concept truly pushes the boundaries of our comprehension, inviting us to ponder the profound possibilities that lurk within the realms of quantum reality. What if the world you see is not the world that actually exists? This question beckons us into the philosophical realm where consciousness and matter intersect. Our perception, the lens through which we view the world, might not just be a passive receiver, but an active shaper of our reality. Imagine a painter and a canvas. Our minds are the painters, and reality is the canvas. Just as the painter's strokes shape the final artwork, our perceptions might shape the world around us. This transformative idea nudges us to consider the power of our consciousness and its potential role in molding our reality. The exploration of this concept stirs a whirlpool of thought-provoking questions. What is the nature of reality? How much does our perception influence it? These queries push us to the boundaries of our understanding and beyond. Our perception and reality may be more intertwined than we ever imagined. As exciting as these ideas are, it's important to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Indeed, the intersection of consciousness and quantum reality is a fascinating realm, but it also invites a considerable amount of skepticism within the scientific community. This skepticism is not a dismissal of the potential connection between mind and matter, but rather a reflection of the rigorous nature of the scientific process. Theories must be tested, retested, and scrutinized under the microscope of empirical evidence. And as of now, the connection between consciousness and quantum reality remains largely speculative, with many open questions yet to be answered. Some scientists argue that quantum mechanics, as it stands, is perfectly capable of explaining the behavior of particles without invoking the influence of consciousness. Others caution against anthropocentric thinking, warning that attributing a special role to human consciousness in the unfolding of quantum events might be a form of wishful thinking, a projection of our desire for significance and agency onto the cold, indifferent laws of physics. Moreover, the very concept of consciousness, central to these discussions, remains a mystery in itself. Despite centuries of philosophical debate and decades of neuroscientific research, we still lack a comprehensive understanding of what consciousness is and how it arises. This makes it challenging to formulate, let alone test, precise hypotheses about its potential role in shaping quantum reality. But these challenges and open questions do not signify a dead end. Quite the contrary, they are the lifeblood of scientific inquiry, the driving force that propels us forward. They push us to refine our theories, devise new experiments, and continually expand the boundaries of our knowledge. The dialogue between consciousness and quantum reality is a testament to the enduring curiosity of the human mind, its insatiable hunger for answers, and its courage to venture into the uncharted territories of the universe. And who knows, perhaps future research will reveal unexpected insights, unraveling the enigmatic relationship between the observer and the observed, the mind and matter, the subjective and the objective. Science thrives on skepticism and open questions, pushing us to explore the unknown. And as we navigate this journey, let us remember that the quest for understanding is, in itself, a profound testament to the power and beauty of conscious awareness. As we wrap up our exploration, let's reflect on what we've learned. We've traversed the realms of quantum reality and consciousness, delving deep into the enigmas that lie at the intersection of these two domains. We began our journey with the quantum observer effect, pondering the intriguing concept that our act of observation might influence the behavior of particles. We then ventured into the idea of consciousness shaping quantum states, questioning whether our thoughts and awareness could extend beyond mere observation and alter the very nature of the subatomic world. We explored the fascinating concept of quantum superposition, considering the potential influence of conscious intent on particles existing in multiple states simultaneously. Our journey led us to consider the role of perception in shaping our reality. How does our understanding of the world around us interact with the fabric of the cosmos itself? This brought us to the realm where science meets philosophy, a domain rich with profound questions and contemplation. But as we navigated these complex ideas, we also acknowledged the importance of scientific skepticism. We are on the frontier of both physics and philosophy, and many questions remain open. While the allure of the unknown is tantalizing, maintaining a balance with scientific rigor is crucial. We've heard from experts in the field, gathering diverse perspectives to deepen our understanding of the mind-matter connection. Yet, this exploration is far from over. The intersection of consciousness and quantum reality remains a tapestry of speculation and inquiry, a subject ripe for further exploration and discussion. So we invite you to continue the conversation, share your thoughts, perspectives, and questions. This is a journey we're on together, and your insights are valuable contributions to this ongoing exploration. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep investigating the universe.